Question 14 says which centimeter is closest to the lateral surface area of the cylinder in the square centimeters, so lateral surface area. We look at a reference sheet, we find out that it says 2 pi RH is our lateral surface area. I plug in my numbers. When I first get this problem, I should definitely use my formula, but I also know that we deal with radius. We deal with radiuses, not diameters. That is a diameter. It goes straight across. 8.4 divided by 2 is going to get me 4.2. So I'm going to use my numbers that I have now given. So 2 times pi times my radius, which I got from up here, which is going to be 4.2, okay, times my 10.9. Once I multiply all of those, I'm going to get 287.64. Okay, very easy. So that's what that equals. 2 times pi times 4.2 times 10.9, 287. What I need to remember is I need to turn that into the radius, and it gets me my answer of G. Okay, and it's centimeters squared because it's surface area. Next question, number 16. This one says Mr. Wilkins deposited $2,500 into a new account in his bank. Okay, the bank pays 6.5% interest compounded annually on this account. Mr. Wilkins makes no additional deposits or withdrawals. Which amount is closest to the balance at the end of 2 years? Okay, we have my principal, we have my interest, and we have my amount of time. Our formula is going to be A equals P, which you get from the reference sheet, 1 plus R to the T power. How you do this problem is you're going to take your $2,500, your principal, multiply it, 1 plus, you take your interest. Remember, with interest, we don't want percentages, we want decimals. Move it twice, 0.065, and then we want it for 2 years. Okay, plug in exactly in your calculator. Okay, and you're going to get a total of 2,835.56. Okay, and that answer is right here for A. Okay, now this is an easy question. Usually they wouldn't do this to you. They would make you find a difference or something. Just read the question, what they're asking. They wanted the closest balance or the total. And remember, A gives me the interest plus the principal for compound interest. Next question, 19. It says a graph shows a relationship between the cost of some pecans and the weight of pecans in pounds. Which function represents this best? Okay, so this is a slope problem. It's not going to be difficult. So what you're going to do is, again, look at your 1 right here. And you write that again. Okay, it's the best I can do with what I got. So what I have here is about, where is that? That's at 5. Okay, you could think of this problem in several ways. Go up 5 over 1, that's a slope. Which one will represent that? Well, the answer on that one will be A. Okay, and guys, this is all the readiness standards for the first half of the test. So please make sure and continue watching while Mr. Bergen continues reviewing the material. Alright, thanks.